Greetings. Welcome to Adventure Physics. I'm Neil. I've been a professor of physics and astronomy for the past 20 years. I've taught courses in earth science, oceanography, meteorology, various physics levels, and astronomy. In the last 20 years, I've also traveled the world. I've been to all 7 continents, the Great Wall of China, glaciers of Alaska, mountaineering in Antarctica, camping under the midnight sun inside the Arctic Circle of Norway, Finland, and Sweden. I've been on the African plains of the Serengeti and the Masai Mara. I've been to the Amazon jungles of South America. In all of these travels from pole to pole and around the world, I've seen science in many different forms. And this is the nature of this website. My goal is to bring science to you in the comfort of your very own home through my eyes of travel and adventure. In this website, you will find a variety of science course material geared towards not just those at the high school and college level, but to the average person simply wanting to know the way the world works, with the take of it being through my eyes of my travels around the world. So I invite you to join me on a journey of adventure, on an educational endeavor around the world, to see science through my eyes. I thank you for your time.